Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's an unboxing. I was sent this little 2-pack of identity protection rollers from the Lomo store on Amazon. So this is what I picked out. It's the identity rollers. And you guys, literally, when I was just doing my destashes, I was using all of my old Amazon boxes. I had to cover everything like this with a little post-it note while I was showing my videos. One, for the sake of the videos, you don't want to give out your address. And then also you could use this obviously on your mail, like since you're not recording videos every single day. Your mail, instead of shredding it and paying for a shredder, you just go over it with these rollers. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys. Smaller than I thought, which is nice because they're compact. It does come with 4 refills. So 2 refills per little thingy. Here's what they look like. They're like little ink blots full of, and the instructions are in there on how to do it. So you just press both so it doesn't pop off. You have to pinch both sides to get it to come off. So this is the ink roller, and then this is the ceramic blade to cut stuff. So it's like a little sharp piece of plastic, but you literally just, that was with 1 roll. So you could go back and forth. So people can't read stuff. Isn't that cool? And then if you look on the back side, it even blurs it out. If you were to use the flashlight, you still can't see what was typed there. So basically it's a bunch of repeat random letters on there. So let me go over my name, which I won't show you. So I just pushed on it once, and then like I said, you can go over it another direction if you want, versus getting a black permanent marker and like trying to go over it. And even with black marker, you can still see the lettering underneath it. So this is very cool. I am impressed with this. Just blop out all of the letters. Super cool. Let's see if I can do it nice and neat so you can read the letters. Oh my gosh, I like that. So this is the little hole that you get your little thing, cut off the tip and then fill it up. Basically you re-ink it. Super cool. I am very pleased with these. These are great for Happy Mail and your everyday use as well. So I'm gonna have this, and I like that it's like a little box cutter basically. So let me show you. So it's a ceramic, it's not like a real blade. Oh wow, cool. Okay, so like an X-Acto knife, cut your mail open, blot your mail, all the good things. I will leave a link in the description box. You guys can check it out. It does come in other like color options as well, so yeah. And if you get a 2-pack, you can gift one to somebody else. All right, bye guys. I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye guys.